It's a gorgeous Saturday morning. I got my tea. It's a little chilly, but I am on my way to a prairie to do some seed harvesting. Here you can see some of the prairie plants that we were looking for seeds to harvest. We walked through the prairie to look for the plants we were assigned to. The idea behind seed harvesting is to collect seeds from the plant and then spread them to other areas so that the prairie can expand. I was working with common milkweed. One of our volunteers found a bunch of milkweed plants together, so they collected the pods and brought them all to us. Our job was to sort through all these milkweed pods and extract the seeds. When you open the pods of common milkweed, you can see the seeds are stacked all along against each other. It looks almost like a pine cone. The seeds are attached to lightweight, fluffy fibers, and as the season progresses, the pod will open. These fluffy fibers are called floss, and people used to collect the fluff to be used in life jackets. When wind catches these fibers, it will carry the seed to a new location. This plant is wind dispersed. What I'm doing is opening the pods and dropping the seeds into my pouch or the bucket. For some pods, it was really easy to separate the seeds from the floss, and the seeds would just drop in. Others, it was much more difficult. Although we tried to get every seed possible, sometimes it was too difficult, and at the end, we just let seeds go. It's so much fun to watch the seeds attached to the fluffy floss disperse in the wind. Common milkweed is really important for the monarch butterfly, which is unfortunately now an endangered species. This prairie is actually on the grounds of the hospital, so we went to the hospital and parked in their parking lot and went to work on the prairie collecting seeds. You can see the hospital in the background. Prairies are an endangered ecosystem. In Illinois, prairies used to cover about 60% of the state. Now they cover just 0.01% of the state. The goal is to expand the prairie. Common milkweed weren't the only seeds we collected. Other volunteers collected other native prairie plant species. By the end, we collected so many seeds.